What's going on, Mass Masters? We are back with another one, and like I said before, we are on my brother's bay boat. Guys, you see me be on saltwater charters before? That's where we take them all out from, but now we fishing from a whole nother perspective, baby. Let's go! All right, we are out here, guys, and Zoe might have the first fish of the day. She does. What do we got in here? It's a little catfish. Okay. Hey, Zoe, first one on the board. All right, y'all, like you saw, Zoe already caught the first fish today, and we out here on the Marine Corps birthday, November 10th. Happy birthday to all the Marines out there. It's birthday number 249. Anything you want to say to the devil dogs?
Hey, Semper Fi till I die, baby.
Semper Fi till I die, baby. All right, guys. All right, Zoe, same deal. Zoe's got a sabiki rig, some cut shrimp on it, little pieces, and a slightly oversized weight on the bottom, 1 ounce. But guess what? That's what we got. There. All right, Zoe. Now just keep watching it and see if fish are biting it, okay? Oh, look. Zoe, look. Go ahead. Reel it in. See what's going on. Does it feel like you got a fish? Oh, nice. Hey, I think I put this in a nice spot for you. And I really mean that. All right, ready? Hold it. And when you feel like you got a fish, ouch. Do you feel like you're getting bit? You think you got one?
I feel one.
You feel it?
I feel it.
Let's see. I think you got bit. I think you're right.
I feel a fish bit.
Oh, you feel a fish bit. Got it. Let's see if you got them on, though.
Oh.
All right, no worries. People still definitely ate some of them. See, somebody ate some of the shrimp. So I'm gonna throw some more shrimp on there for you next time. Don't reel it in right away just because you feel a bite. When you feel multiple, when you feel like it's still biting or it's still whatever, you ain't get back and start going, okay? We're gonna do it again. Give me that. Oh, bro, yes. Mahara and grunt. The grunts can work for whatchamacallit, snook and grouper. Oh yeah, here we go. And then boats came through. About to get a little wake action. Oh, whoa! Oh.
Keep playing around, boy.
Hey, well, don't lean forward now. Careful. Yeah, we're just casting out over towards these mangroves, the sabiki rig for now. I haven't even rigged up anything. I'm just getting my my Nissan. Another good one, another good one.
Happy birthday, dumb dog.
Happy birthday. All right, Zoe, ready?
It keeps stuff. It keeps.
All right, go, go. You think you got it?
It keeps fighting.
If it keeps fighting? All right, let's see. She might have got one took. Let's try it again.
I'll leave it a little longer next time.
Yeah, and then see how it gets loose again? So I want, even if you notice it, I want you to go ahead and be the one to put it back tight again. Okay? Yo, those made me. Yeah? All right, well, just leave it. Yo, you're giving me the Halo vibes. It's crazy. I'm gonna send this to Hector. Under the burning sun, I take a look around. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. All right, reel that in. The nostalgia on this song is insane.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. Good. That was us. Same thing. You got bit, but just wait. Just wait. Next time you get bit, pull back.
Pull back, pull back.
Go. Yeah. Real.
Hey, morning.
Oh man, nice boat. Hey. Hey, look at that. Say hi. Say hi. You can watch her with this. Oh, damn, next to the wall. Zoe, just wait a second. There's no way you're not gonna get murked. Are they biting? They are biting, right? What's happening? They're biting still? Oh? Oh, what? You got it? She's on, I think. I think she's on. Yeah, she's on. She's saying, ugh. Keep going, Zoe. I got you. You're doing great. You're doing great, Zoe. Don't stop, Zoe. You got a fish for sure. No. Oh, and we got a. Oh, she got two. She got.
Oh, that's a mutton.
No, that might be a yellowtail. That's a baby grunt that you can either use for bait or throw back. If it's 8, it has to be 8. You got to measure for 8. That is not a mutton, son. That is a lane snapper, son.
That's a keeper.
You gotta keep her lane, Zoe! You gotta keep her lane, Zoe. Oh, nice. Huh? It is, it just came off. Saw it? It is. Oh, it's yours. I'm tripping. Oh, dude. That placement, dude.
Oh, Big Daddy, pop out.
Right here, I'm gonna try to get you shrimp real quick. But people use 3,000, 4,000. You can't guarantee what you're hooking on to out here. You wanna give her one more cast? I cut this off and I wanna see if grab another little lane real quick. Let's go, Zoe. Again, Zoe.
Gotta get the one with the button.
Yeah, Zoe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, bet. But Zoe, that is the right species. Because that's what you catch out there and offshore. They're just keepers, you know? They're just a lot bigger. But every time you go to a coral reef, grunts, yellowtails, mangroves, and lanes, and muttons. It's just every... Yikes, no. I guess one of these shrimp for love. Hey. I wanna know. Hey, 1. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. We're almost about to get you on your next one. You ready? Oh my gosh, this looks too. It's just textbook. Like fish have to be here. It's a must. I promise this. Here we go. You deal with that. Zoe, real Zoe, real Zoe. I'll help you if you need to, but just hold it. You got this. Should be tight. Zoe's on a good one. Keep reeling, keep reeling. He's definitely on there. Oh.
Behind the motor. Behind the motor. Hold on.
Wait. All right, here, Zoe. Here, Zoe.
Here you go.
I see the fish. Here, Zoe, here. It might be a keeper grunt.
Another one?
That's a keeper. That's a keeper something.
It's another lane. Dude, that's big.
Oh! Zoe, nice lane. Let's go. What? Just keep throwing over there on the dock. Those are nice. We laned out, baby. Hey. Step by. Oh. We vibing. Touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it leaving out your name. Your name. No. Keep them biting. Yeah, we're stuck. Are we? No, we're not. Here. Fight it. The fish was. I think the fish got loose. Let's see what you got. We got 2 little grunts. Like. Yeah, they're here. All right. If you feel like it's not tight, nah, you good. Do your thing. You tell me. Yes. You good? Let me see. I got you free. Look. Oh, I'm in.
Got one.
Hold on, I'm letting it go. Look. You know what it is? They keep swimming her away. That's all. I think they just keep swimming into like a rock.
Oh, okay.
Go, Zoe. No, this is grunt. 2 more grunts. Good job, Zoe. Yeah, technically we can keep it for bait. This Sabiki's got 1 hook left on it. All right, let's go, Zoe. Let's go, Zoe. She's on fire. What we got? Ah! Y'all see the high tide coming in? Look at this blue water coming in. Look at that. I cast it as far as I could that way, but it drifted fast. switch. I'm gonna put her sabiki on. Look at all these little bait fish next to the boat. I think I got a bait fish. That is a snapper. Look how small that mutton is. Or lane, it's a baby lane. Hold it and throw it back. Show it. Throw it back. It gets beat up right away. Huh? No. What is that small one? Is that a baby grouper? Go. Here. Go. That's a greenie, son. That's a greenie, son. They don't live long. Probably. Here, you want to catch a fish from in the water? It's getting bit right now. Look at it. Oh my gosh. Here. Huh? Oh, careful with the tree. Hey. What'd you get? What'd you get? Oh. Zoe, right here. Star of the day. The only one to catch anything. Keepers included. She been slaying them, dude. Alright, ready? Well, that's a good one. It's kind of... Alright, go ahead, Zoe. Zoe can't stop. Zoe can't stop. She's on. Got an alien fish. I got those. Yeah. What is that? Oh, guys, look at this species. It's the first time. Oh, it's got teeth. You look at this. Look how funky this fish is, guys. Comment if you know what species this is. Look at the mouth.
Oh damn!
Look at those ugly teeth. Fangs, bro.
We will cut our enemies down in droves. Our fires will be the substance of their nightmares. We will protect our brothers and sisters.
For 249 years, Marines have distinguished themselves not just by their valor, but by their readiness to confront the challenges that lie ahead.
Happy birthday, Marines, and Semper Fidelis.